So for example, I'll be sending my broker link. Okay, this is my link on Exness. So for those of you that will be joining my mentorship, okay, even if you will not join, you can use this link to register. I will send it to the group. You can use this link to register and then open an account with Exness. Okay, Exness is one of the best brokers I have used in all my experience of trading. Their withdrawal is like crypto. Like if you just click the withdrawal button, in say 5-10 minutes you have your money. Unlike the other brokers I've used that will take 1 day, 2 days, sometimes 2 weeks, you've not seen your money. But Exness, in the less than 5 to 10 minutes, your money is in your account, and that is what you want. So just click the link. Okay. So as you can see, you see open an account. Just click open account. And you bring out some form. Okay, these are the forms. This is the form, so rather. So just choose your country. Don't know why. Choose your country. So just choose your country, Nigeria. Just choose Nigeria. Then put your phone number. Okay. Let's see if they will allow me to use the same phone number again, because I can't remember my second phone number. Nine-one. So put your first name. My first name is Samuel, and your last name Abu. That's my last name. So I can put in another. Let me choose another email address. Let me use African Trader. African Trader 90. So I'll just choose a password. Okay. Okay, let me just choose a password for this one. I already have a password for my other account, so let me just use it. And then all you have to do, click on continue. And see if they will allow me to use the same phone number. So I'm just walking you through the process of creating an account. So I can just save the password. So they will have to send details. Okay, then this will open up. So choose trading account. So you can either say demo, you can say real. Okay, but for now you want to do demo, but you can still choose real if you want. Okay, you can open both of them. Anyone will serve. So for example, let's do demo. Let's choose demo account. Demo account is the practice. Or let's go to our email. Let's go to our email.